trying to land on the cricket. Nice. Sounds real too. Very soft. Is it enough thrust? Sounds very soft. Is that full throttle?
Flat. Up. Gear. Up.
Oh, I see what you mean, yeah, with the gear.
Yeah.
Yeah, it really cleans it up.
Yeah, it just comes to life without the gear down.
What's happening? Oh, as soon as you put the gear up, it really tidies it up.
Is that full speed?
That's flat out, yeah. Yeah, the roll rate's not bad.
Yeah, that's with the maximum. So yeah, I found the ailerons were sluggish on the last one, and this one's pretty well flies the same. But when you get on full rates, it's plenty.
It's pretty tidy for speed as well. It's going a lot quicker than you think. So.
I know.
It's quiet, that's why you don't feel the speed.
The rudder is beautiful on it. Just leading the turns with the rudder.
Vertical?
I don't think it's going to have a lot of it.
No, I think it'll run out of steam.
Vertical.
It's scale. They were underpowered.
They were tragically underpowered, yeah. So.
Tragically underpowered, so you're barely moving it.
We haven't done the spin tests.
Well, the spin test usually followed by an ejection process. Actually, they didn't have ejector seats on the early ones.
Gear. Down.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, when you drop the gear, it is like air brakes.
Yeah.
So it's good then.
Okay.
Spoiler. Down.
I think I put full flaps down.
Okay, yep. No, that's what I kind of figured after the last one, is you really do need and handle it on the throttle.
Landing. Oh, she's floaty ass. Floaty ass. Should have come in with more power then. Because she really,
It
with all
dropped.
that drag, it really did drop, yeah. But if I'd have managed the power better, it would have.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm getting used to it myself.
Yeah. Mate, it flies absolutely beautiful. Yeah, but as soon as you suck up that gear, it's like.
It's like, yes,
Yeah,
take off.
Yeah, like, she's beautiful, really beautiful. It's so quiet.
Thanks for flying that.
No problem. I'm sorry the landing wasn't as nice as
Well, it's better than over there, I guess.
Well, yeah. But, mate, absolute credit to you, mate. Credit to you. Fantastic.
Thanks.